Good morning, students. Today's topic is notice. First of all, I'll tell you what is notice. Notice होता क्या है? Student, notice is a very important official document which is circulated among the staff or you can say pasted on the notice board for all. So it plays a very important role. It carries information about what is going on or what is going to happen or any other announcement, functions, events, occasions, etc. So now we'll discuss type of notice. So notice are we can say that notice for meeting, notice for events like competitions, celebrations, annual sports, culture events, for lost and found, for appeal, warning, changes of name, companies, etc. There are so many type of notice. Student, I will explain some points to be kept in mind while writing a notice. So let us take an example. Are Reena Raman of class 12th, cultural secretary, SECRETARY, secretary of your school. So you have been asked to inform students of class 6th to 12th about an inter-school dramatics competition. So draft a notice in not more than 50 words with necessary details. So now student, while writing notice, first of all we have to keep in mind that never forget to draw a box before writing a notice. First of all, we will draw a box. Then write the name of school or institution at the top of in the box. Okay, you can write your school name, institution or club etc. at the top of in the box. So you can write in block letters or the first letter capital of the each word like this. Suppose your school is GCS Taudu, GCS Taudu. Okay. Now one line gap. Write the word notice in the center below the name of school or institution. So one line gap we will write here NOTICE, notice word. Okay. Then one line gap, write the date on the left side of the notice wherever you like to write, but above the heading or subject of the notice. So we can write here "10th May 20XX." Okay. Now write effective title or subject to the contents of the notice here. So we have title or subject, inter-house dramatics competition. Right here, inter-house dramatics, DRAMATICS, dramatics competition, COMPETITION, competition. Now we'll start. The school is organizing. Okay, right here. So always write the notice in third person. We'll start. The school is organizing an inter-house dramatic competition. Okay, competition for which class is? Class 6th to 12th. On which date? On 21st May 2000XX, which at 9:30 AM, where? In the assembly. Okay, in the assembly hall. The house captain must submit the scripts, okay, of the play being enacted by their house, to whom? To the undersigned. When? Before. You can mention date here. Before 18th May 20XX. Okay. For making the necessary arrangements for more details, contact undersigned. So student, usually present tense or future tense is used. So write the writer's name with designation below on the left side below the contents. I mean here write name. We mention here Reena or Raman. If you are girl, write your name Reena. If you are female, Reena, and male, Raman. And your designation is you are a cultural secretary. You are cultural secretary. So first write your name here. Reena. You can write here Raman. Your post, cultural secretary. You can write here initial signature. Your post, CULTURAL, cultural secretary, SECRETARY. Okay, now I think it has been completed. So close the notice box after writing complete notice by drawing below line at the last. So this is notice. Here name of institution, word notice, date, subject, contents, and name and designation. This is complete notice within 50-60 words. So in this way we can do practice of other notice. Thank you.